we are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English. So make sure to stay tuned for those. We'll be looking at how to say biblical words as well, so make sure to stay tuned. So how do you say those? Well, what may be a little confusing for some is that you talk about Jesus Christ, but you do not say Christian or Christian, but rather Christian. Christian is how to pronounce the top word here, and Christianity, Christianity, or in American English, Christianity, Christianity in American English, Christianity or Christian, Christian, and Christianity. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.